Fine.
So
So
your
let
present
us.
yes or no?
Which one? Tell me. You are saying something?
You are the presenters or no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you are the presenters or no?
Yeah, you are you able to see my desktop now?
No,
I
sir.
have already shared. I have already shared my desktop.
Now I am able to see.
Okay. Fine. So let's go with the subscreens today. Go to our program, module pool program. We have already seen the normal screens. Today we will see the subscreens. So please make a note that a subscreen can be called in a main screen. Please make a note in your notebook. Please make a note. A subscreen means a subscreen can be called by a normal screen. A subscreen cannot be called directly. A subscreen can be called into the normal screen. Okay. Fine. Now let us see how to create a subscreen. How to call the subscreen into normal screen. In the last class, we have created the flow. Correct? If you remember. If I say call screen 100, the second screen is coming, correct? So till this part we have seen in the last class. So now what I want to do is, I want to call subscreen in this screen 200. I want to call subscreens in screen 200. So now, to call the subscreen, what I want to do, I need to define a subscreen area in the screen 200. So I'll go to the screen 200, go to the layout, go to the layout here, go in a change mode. Now there is something called subscreen area. You select this here, from here, yeah, subscreen area. Select this, click this, and drag and drop this. Give some name to this subscreen area. I am giving a subscreen area name as SSA, subscreen area. Give any name. You can give some name to this area. And now activate.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screens.
Are you able to see now?
Yes or no?
Okay, so now what we have done, we went to the layout of the screen 200.
Okay.
And in the layout of the screen 200, what I have done, I selected this subscreen area. I put the subscreen area here, and I have named it as SSA. Subscreen area I have given a name SSA. On the top, if you see, SSA is the name I have given. Okay. I'll activate this and come back to the flow logic. Now my now subscreen area is ready. So which screen contains this subscreen area? screen number 200 contains the subscreen area. Into the 200 subscreen area, I'm going to call I'm going to call a subscreen. Okay. So let me create a subscreen now. In the screens, right click, create. I'll give screen number 210. 210 is the subscreen. So now I'll say it as subscreen. Put the radio button here as a subscreen. Here there is a radio button. Select this as a subscreen. Go to the layout. Select some fields and put it into this. So I'll go to the Mara table. Select some 1 or 2 fields here. I'll select some 4 fields. I'll put it. And then after putting, what you need to do, you need to drag and minimize the screen so that it should fit into the subscreen area. You have already defined a subscreen area in screen number 200, correct? If these fields will go into that particular subscreen area, that means this screen will go into that particular subscreen area. So you need to minimize this screen and activate. So now what we have done, we went to the screen 200, we have created a subscreen area. We went to 210 and we have created a subscreen. Subscreen is 210, subscreen area is there in 200. Now what will happen, in the subscreen area, subscreen will be loaded. That means if I call subscreen, then subscreen 210 will come and sit on 200. Okay, for that the syntax is call subscreen you can say 210 call subscreen, you can give the subscreen area including program name. What is the program name? Current program name? JetTest underscore mpool and subscreen number. What is the subscreen number? 210. You need to give this syntax in PBO and in PAI also.
Sure.
You need to give. Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Sure.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Sure.
Are you able to hear me? Tell me. Hello. It's Javed or Chetan? Who is speaking now?
Javed, sir.
Yeah, Javed, tell me. Hello. Oh, Javed went offline. Maybe his connection was lost. Yeah, Javed, now you are able to hear me? Chetan, only you are there. Huh?
Chetan and Santosh.
Which one?
Santosh. JK and Shil is
Santosh.
there. Yes, sir.
Chetan is?
Chetan and Santosh, sir.
Yeah, Chetan and Santosh. Okay. Fine. So let me save it. Check it and activate. So now you got what we are doing. We are calling 210 subscreen into the 200 subscreen area. So you are calling into the 200 subscreen area. That is why you have written this call subscreen area in flow logic of the screen 200. Right click, activate. So it's saying full stop is required after SSCA. Yeah, here in the PI, just this is enough. Call subscreen SSCA. Now go to the transactions. Execute this. So now I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. Some number. Call screen 200. In the screen 200, what is there? Subscreen area is there. In the subscreen area, now 210 will come. See, if this is screen 200. In the screen 200, subscreen area is there. Subscreen area name is SSA. In the subscreen area SSA, now screen 210 is coming up. Correct? This is a subscreen. So this is how you can call a subscreen. Okay, so Chetan and Santosh, you are able to get this? So how to call a subscreen into a normal screen? This is how you can call a subscreen into a normal screen. Okay?
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I was not able to see anything, sir. Now I'm able to see.
Now you are able to see?
Yeah.
Who is this? Chetan, huh?
Javed.
Javed. Okay, fine, Javed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are there in offline. I think some network connection problem is there with you.
Yeah.
Fine. So what we have done here, we have created a screen 200. In the screen 200 we have created a subscreen area, correct? The layout. So we have created a subscreen area. Subscreen area name is SSCA. And I have written here the syntax call subscreen SSCA including program name and screen number. And in the PAI also I have written the syntax call subscreen SSCA. And what is the subscreen number we have given here? 210. So I have created a screen 210. In the 210 layout, I have given some 4 fields or 5 fields from Mara table. This is the screen 210. In this I have given some 4 fields from Mara table. And then activate the program and now execute the program. Now what will happen? In the screen 200, subscreen area is there. In the particular area, screen 210 will come and sit. So call screen 200. I am calling the screen 200. So now this is the screen 200, but in this screen screen 210, that means what is the subscreen what we have created, those fields are coming and sitting. Okay, so this is the concept of subscreen.
Sir, because in the screen 200 layout, we have created a subscreen area, sir.
Yeah.
That's the reason the
Yeah,
subscreen
yeah,
fields are coming.
that means if a subscreen area is there, then only a subscreen can come and sit on that particular area.
Sir, how to create that subscreen area?
There is a button like how you are creating a push button, how you are creating a say for example input field, text field, like that. There is a button subscreen area. Okay, so see, I'll go into change mode.
Okay, sir.
So this is the one. This is the one is subscreen area. Okay. So
Okay,
like this is a button, correct? Like that. This is a subscreen
Yeah,
area. You just click it and drag and drop it here. Subscreen area will be there.
Okay.
After dragging and dropping it, double click on this and give a name to this SSA.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that name you can use here. Call subscreen SSA. Use the name of subscreen area here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
How many subscreen can create, sir, on screen?
How many subscreens or subscreen areas?
Subscreen area, sir.
See, actually one subscreen area can call more than one subscreen. So what I can do, I can create screen number 220, another subscreen, okay?
Okay.
And I can call into the same subscreen area.
Okay, sir.
Same subscreen area, but screen number is different. I can call. So at the max, we can create a 6 subscreen areas, not subscreens. We can create 6 subscreen areas in a normal screen. You are getting what I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
Subscreen area is the one which we have created in screen 200. Correct? We have put a subscreen area in screen 200. Like that, at the max, you can put 6 subscreen areas. Each subscreen area can call n number of subscreens. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Can you
Now
do
let us
another
go.
one, sir?
Which one?
Can you create another one, sir?
Another subscreen or subscreen area?
Subscreen area, sir.
Hmm. So what I'll do, before creating another one, I will reduce the size of this. Now I have deleted both. I'll select one. I'll put a subscreen area. SSA1 here. And another subscreen area. Or something like that. You can create different subscreen areas. Okay? At the max you can create a 6 subscreen areas. Got it? So you can give a different name to each subscreen area. And then you call the subscreen area from your flow logic. You create another subscreen 210, okay, which is having a few fields, and right here call subscreen. After this call subscreen syntax, here you type call subscreen SSCA1 including the program name screen number 220. It will come. Okay. Any questions you have? Hello.
One minute, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, if you want to call
Are
the
are
screen,
hmm?
now we can hear now, sir. If you want to
uh,
call a screen,
if you want to call a subscreen, can you be a little louder? I'm unable to hear you.
okay, sir. If you want to call a subscreen under a
Hmm.
subscreen, what is the syntax, sir?
No, if you cannot call a subscreen under a subscreen. Only subscreen can be called into a normal screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so only you can call. That means 200 is a normal screen.
Okay.
Normal screen is calling a subscreen 210.
Okay, sir.
Okay, only this scenario is possible. 210 cannot call 220. That is not possible. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, thank you, sir.
Now the next concept is a table control. So for the table control, I'll try to create one more program now. So jet test module pool 1, click on display. This program is not there. Create, yes. I don't want any top include. In the previous program we have created a top include, PBO include, PAI include, all the includes, right? This program we will try to do without any includes. Okay, so I don't want the top include. Continue. Save. Make it as a module pool program. Continue. Save it in local object. Go here. Create one structure. I'll create some structure here. Types begin of stru matnr type mara matnr mtart type mara mtart works type marcy works lgort type mardi hyphen lgort end of stru. Then I'll create one internal table. Data. I'll put the internal table name as itab. Itab type table of stru and work area type stru. So now say for example you have some internal table and work area. Then based on the internal table and work area you can create a table control. Now I'll show you what is the table control. Now right click on your program, create a screen. You can give some number to the screen. Screen number I'll give 100. go to the floor, go to the layout. In the layout, see there is something called here table control wizard. Select this table control wizard and put it on to your screen. Once you put the table control wizard to your screen, a wizard will open. The wizard means one screen will come to you. So it was still running, the screen will come to you now. Yeah, this is the screen. Okay. Click on continue. It's asking, give me the name of the table control. Give any name, some name you will give. Tab C, give some name, any name. Click on continue. It's asking, are you going to create the table control by using a data dictionary table or the internal table which is there in your program? Do we have any internal table in our program? Do we have created some internal table in our program? Created or not? In our program. Hello?
Sir, created,
Anybody
sir.
able to hear? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. What is the
Created.
what is the internal table name?
ITAB.
ITAB, correct? So if you want to use the internal table, click on this radio button ITAB and select the F4 help here. You are getting this ITAB. Okay, choose this ITAB and work area. Select this. What is the work area we have created? WA. Select WA. Select this and continue. So now it was showing what are the fields are available in that particular internal table. If you want to select all the fields, select. Otherwise, if you want to select one or two fields, select like this. Continue. So it's asking the input control and output control. Input control means if you are able to give some input, that is the input control. Output means it's only displays you. You cannot give any input for that. So I'll click on input control. So here I want a columns, lines with column headers. I want this. And it's asking the scroll bar. Scroll bar means, see, this kind of thing. Scrolling is required or not. Scrolling is required. I'll put the checkbox. Continue. It's asking the includes. See, in the previous program we have a different include for PVO, different include for PAI, different include for form routines. But here we have only one. We don't have so many includes. So that's why I have given the same thing. That's why the program is taking the same thing. If the different includes are there, you need to give the names of the includes here. Continue. Complete. Now what happened? A table control is coming up like this. That means multiple table control means multiple rows and columns. Just something like a matrix. Here the material number will be there, plant will be there, and description will be there, something like that. Okay, got it? What is the table control means? So if you want to see how it look like, it look like this. So it is something like this. Okay. So where you can represent more number of records. Say for example, if one material has more number of plants, all the plants will be listed. That kind of thing. Okay. So now I'll show you. This is how you can create it from the internal table. If you want to create it from the data dictionary table, how to do? Again, I'll delete this. See, I'll come from the beginning. I'll go to the flow logic because flow logic is already written for this. I want to delete the flow logic. I'll just come out. So otherwise I'll create one more new program. Now right click, create, where is create here? Create screen, screen number 100. Give some name, go to the layout. So here you take the table control wizard. Now wizard will open. Yeah, wizard is opened. Click on continue. Give the table control name. Give some name. Continue. It's asking the data dictionary table. Give some table. I'll give Mara table and continue. So I want the fields here. So I'll put some. I'll select some fields. Continue. Input control is required. Continue. Scrolling is required. Continue. And finish. Complete. Okay, so now material number created and last changed, everything was coming up here. So what I want is I'll make a field. I'll put another field from Mara table. The person who has created. So I'll put this here. Created by. I'll put a button here. The button is display. I want to put a display button here. Function code I will make it as display, DISP. So what I have done, I have created one field here, put one button and one table control I put. Okay, I will activate this. Come back to the flow logic. Flow logic is already written. If you observe, flow logic is already there. I want to execute this program. To execute the program, what to do? We need to create a transaction. So right click, create transaction. Give some transaction. In this transaction, you need to give the program and screen number. Give the support for HTML, Java and Windows. Save it. Now right click and activate your program. And now execute your transaction. So now what's happening? Here material details, everything was coming up, correct? But I don't want all the details. What my requirement is, I'll go to the Mara table. I'll give the Ernum, that means this person who has created by. For example, if DIEHL, this is a person, okay. So with this person, so many materials will be there. See, this person has created some 21 materials, okay. I want the list of 21 materials. I will give the DIHL here. I'll click on display. Then it should give me the 21 materials, but right now it is giving all the materials. I want only those 21 materials. Now what to do? Go to your program. Yeah. So here, go to the screen. In the output, you are already getting the data, correct, from Mara table. That means somewhere there could be a select condition. Let us see where is the select condition. See here, if you observe, select star from Mara into the corresponding fields of table is there. Okay. So now what I will do? I will add a where condition here. Where Ernum means Ernum is equal to Mara hyphen Ernum. What does this mean?
It will select those what you give input.
Ernum means what we will give in the screen. Mara hyphen Ernum will have that particular DHEIL or whatever we will give on the screen level. This field will have that particular value, correct? So based on this, select the data from Mara table. And when to select? If SciUCom is equal to display. DASP. Now activate. Now execute the program. See, now nothing was there. Empty screen was coming. That means select criteria because SciUCom is not display in the beginning. So now after that I'm giving this DIEHL. Click on the display button. Wait, then also it was not coming. I don't know why. Let me see why it was not coming. Let us go to the /h. Maybe it was clearing the SciUCom. Yeah, what it was doing is it was trying to clear the user command. That means display button command. it was putting SIUCOM value into the OK code. Okay, so this is a OK code. Now let us see, based on OK code we will write the program, not on SIUCOM. Based on OK code we will take it. We have already written if SIUCOM is equal to disp, correct? So instead of SIUCOM, now we will say if OK code is equal to disp. If OK underscore code is equal to disp. I'll put a breakpoint. Click on display now. Fine, why it was some problem. I think the program was not activated fully.
Sir, you should click the work for back button, sir.
Which one?
Back button, sir.
Back button? No. Back button is okay. That you can put it later on. But I think the program was not activated or some problem was there. Let us see. So you come is disp, okay. If this is initial, that's what we are saying. Okay, fine. So let me comment this.
What is this, sir? J underscore.
Which one? So actually the table control, it will copy flag. It was putting a flag for the copy. Okay. So if the copy flag is initial, then only it will go and update the data. I'll tell you what to do.
you give not initial right now.
It's not initial, so that's why.
That SQL query will execute only for initial.
Yes. We put the if condition here. Now activate.
Sir, otherwise you write another.
Yeah, now this is initial, correct? Now this is initial. It will work now. Okay. So this will work. So only the thing is you just reverse it, reverse the condition, because what is happening previously, the copy flag is not setting. So that's why it's not giving up the data. So this is how the table control behind the main area is, if you give one input, say for example created by the person name, it should list out all the materials and put it on a screen. That kind of thing is called as a table control. Okay. So now you have seen the table control and how it will work and how to control the table control. Fine. You can do the same thing with the modify statements, delete statement and update, but don't delete the SAP standard database tables. Okay. So with this we complete module pool programming. So in the next class we'll go with the BDC programming, that is batch data communications. Okay. So today we'll stop here. So practice with the module pool programming, and now I will tell you the application, like what we have developed with the module pool programming. So I told you, right, there is a JetBank is the transaction. So one moment, I'll say Jet user master. Test user, maybe ABCD. So there is a transaction, JetBank. So yeah, yesterday I shown you, like you will come here, click on this, you fill the details, father name, something, date of birth, account holder as nominee, user type. There are some users I'm giving here as a customer. He is a customer to the bank. Branch is BTM. A male candidate, PAN number you give something. Amount, initially he want to open amount with 5,000 and registration date is today's date. Savings bank account he want to open, his name, city, postal code give something, street, country, and state, Karnataka. Telephone number you give it, extension number you give it, something. Okay, then submit. When you submit, what will happen? Oh, fine. I think some modifications was done in program. Some changes was done by this program, so it's going for a toss. Okay, anyway, I'll check this and I'll get to know by tomorrow. Okay. So some changes were done in this program. That's why it's going for a dump right now. Let me check this and I'll tell you. Okay. Fine. Anyway, just be practicing with your module pool programming. We'll start batch data communications tomorrow. Fine.
Okay, sir. Can you take classes on Saturday and Sunday, sir?
Yeah. Maybe next Saturday and Sunday I'll take, but after that, next coming Saturday, that means today is what? Today is 16th. 20 and 21st I will take you the class, but 27th and 28th I'm not available. So maybe next coming Saturday and Sunday we'll take up the classes. Okay?
Sir, come to try here, sir, Baseshwar Nagar.
Yeah, I'll try. Saturday, Sunday I can definitely come there, but in weekdays sometimes it was not possible because my office is bit earlier nowadays. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yep. Yep.